These spring rolls are crispy, tasty, and appealing to the eyes. And were made with simple ingredients and method that generate over 4 good spring rolls per wrapper. Wow, that is profit yielding. Hello, my beautiful people. I am Chinedu Vincent and welcome to Salupe's Kitchen, where we upload videos about pastries, snacks, and lunch packs made specially for both home use and business purposes. And so, keep watching. I want to point out that spring roll recipe is a vegetable sauce recipe. And any other recipe harboring animal food ingredients such as beef, chicken, or fish is considered additional and thus may be named chicken spring roll in an instance. Please be guided. This sauce is designed to serve at least 60 spring rolls by using 2 medium-sized sliced cabbage alongside with a tablespoon of granulated Cameroon pepper, which I often use because of their great aromatic flavor. And beside it, it's my seasoning cubes, which I'll be using about 8 of them for more taste and beef flavor. I would be adding 3 milk cups of chopped green beans, alongside with a cup of chopped carrot and 2 medium-sized sliced onion ball. All these and lot more, such as a 1/4 tablespoon of thyme alongside with a tablespoon of my curry powder, together with my flavor-packed beef stock, which I made earlier by simply spicing my beef and extracting the water under a mild heat. And finally, you'll be needing just a cooking spoon of vegetable oil, which should be set at medium heat and allowed to smoke, just like so. I love the sizzling. Stir fry your onion to a caramelization level. Add all your cabbage and cover your lid and allow to steam up. This very action of yours will require a little time of about 2 to 3 minutes. Uncover your lid after that and gently stir with the aid of your cooking spoon for evenly heat distribution. Be careful to accommodate the cabbage in excess, otherwise use a larger pot. And once the heat distribution aim is achieved, add your pre-made beef stock so that it provides moist needed for the flavor distribution and taste promotion. And for this purpose, stirring becomes inevitable. And as soon as your cabbage becomes moist and soggy, incorporate your spicy granulated pepper alongside with your seasoning cubes. Then proceed to incorporate your vegetables starting from your green beans, the chopped carrots, which also contributes to both color and overall acceptability of your spring roll. So, homogenize your sauce with a quick stir, which will not only help to bind all your ingredients together, but also aid the hydrolysis of carbohydrate into simple sugar. And if I should say that to a layman understanding, stirring will give you a sweet sauce. So don't despise. And once you are done with the process, proceed to add your curry powder and thyme combination. This ingredient maximizes the full color and taste potentials of your sauce. Cover your lid after a quick stir to enable heat processing and nutrient circulation. This exercise will take about 30 to 45 seconds once more. Wow! Congratulations, for you finally made it, and this is your sauce, looking good and scenting great. This is quite amazing. And before detaching from heat sauce, please don't forget to give it a quick taste, for this is the only way to give yourself a 5-star rating for a job well done. Now that our food wrappers are ready, it is time to fold and wrap into our desired shape and size. In case you may want to know how these food wrappers were made, locate a video down below with the title Spring Roll and Samosa Wrapper. And with that being said, let's move into the wrapping deal. First of all, equally arrange the wrappers together. And with the aid of your kitchen knife, divide the whole wrappers into 2 equal sizes, like so. Then pick one end and rearrange equally with the other end. Then divide again to obtain ×4 of your original wrappers, meaning you're gonna be making 4 good spring rolls out of 1 wrapper. Wow, that is quite unreal and profit friendly as well. Add about 3 tablespoons of flour into your plate and dissolve with ½ cup of water to obtain a viscous liquid. And to your pan, scoop some of the sauce we made earlier in preparation for the wrapping deal. Wet the whole surface area of our wrapper cut with the viscous liquid, lightly filling your sauce, and fold from the center with a proper closure, just like so. Fold again from the left hand side and the right hand side, and roll the spring completely. Always ensure that all openings are properly closed up to avoid oil penetration during frying process. You can fold in bulk or as in single, but whichever way, ensure that you follow the method strictly and you will get them right. There are so many other ways by which we can fold our spring rolls, but for the purpose of this video, we will be exploiting only but this method. And once you're done with the spring wrapping of your roll, you'll be left with 2 options of either to place it in a refrigerator and freeze before frying, or to fry immediately. Whichever way you choose, the options are all yours. Quickly set your pot at medium-high heat and allow to heat up. Introduce your vegetable oil in preparation for the deep frying process of the spring roll. Once your oil is heated, gently drop your spring roll into the oil and allow to cook at medium-high heat. During frying, ensure an interval turning of the spring roll for all-round browning process, which is quite desirable. And once successfully deep fried to a golden brown coloration, come on, scoop with your strainer and allow to cool. And here is our crispy spring roll, not only looking great but tastes better as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.